Hi, I'm Vincent Nyakore and welcome to my YouTube channel. This is a quick and practical tip uh, that you can be able to use to be able to create a dynamic number list with a formula or using a formula in Excel. So this is the data, and I'm going to do a demo on this because I've seen many people doing it manually, inserting them or numbering in such a case manually, and this prompts to so many errors and omission. So I want us to be able to insert a formula that will help us to do that very fast or to minimize on the error. More so if you are dealing with the huge data. So equal sign, then row. If I click on row, there is information I want to read, or you can read. Return the row number of reference. So it means when we do that and close the parenthesis, we are just returning row number of the cell. So you can be able to see this is 3, this would be 3 in the cell. So the same applies to the rest. If you drag or double click, if you hover and autofilled, if you want to autofilled, then it will just return the row number of the cell. So that is something that we don't want to achieve, but we want to create an automatic number whereby at cell 3, A3, we are just able to start from numbering from 1, 2, 3 going downwards automatically. So minus row again, then 2. If you leave it this way, it won't be able to give you the actual, it will not be able to generate the automatic number uh, as you might think or thought. So if you enter, you see, if we double click on that, what will happen is we'll only apply the difference, right? But we don't want that. We want to attain our automatic numbering in our work so that we avoid errors. So you add the dollar sign. Once we add the dollar sign, it will concatenate and give us uh, the right difference, and will be able to help us to create the auto numbers. It will generate auto numbers. So if we double click, you see, it will generate. So this helps whenever let's say you are inserting, you've missed information, and you want to insert a new row, insert a new row. You see, the numbering is not interfered with. Already you've minimized the error. You see, if you add the data, you can copy and paste this formula and paste it here, or you can just hover on top of it. Once you have the the plus sign, then you drag. Once you drag, you are good to go. The rest of numbers are not affected. So hope you enjoy this tutorial. Please hit the thumbs up and do subscribe in case you haven't subscribed yet, and continue to support. Thank you. See you in the next video.